Let's see if we can get this light working real quick. Get some light up in here. Alright, YouTube, we gotta go under the truck, show y'all what I'm doing. Hope I don't hit my camera and shit. Alright, YouTube, show y'all what I'm doing today. Today, I'm checking the speed sensor. That's this right here. This the speed sensor. So, my speedometer ain't been working correctly. And I'm thinking because the speed sensor probably got too much oil under here. So what you do is when you install a speed sensor, all you need is a card. So I'm trying to put the card under here. If that card fit, it's tight, but it'll fit under there. So that's how you do it. Get that under there. If that's how you screw that down on there to make sure you want to get the correct fitting. So all you need is a card. Put that down in there. So it'll fit. Yeah, definitely a fit. So what I want to do today is I want to sand around here, get some of this rust off, because it spins and it spins around this and it's plugged into your sensor. It tells you how fast the truck is going. So what I want to do is try to back it off, take it off, clean it real good, sand around here real good, and put it back on, and hopefully it goes back to working the way it's supposed to work. So it plugs in somewhere over here. Or the wire could be broke. I hope the wire ain't broke up in here. But I definitely gotta take it off to make sure the wire ain't broke, cracked, or damaged. And figure out what we're gonna do from there. Alright, so we need to make sure we keep this camera fold off my head. Alright, so I get back at you, I go get a wrench. I gotta take this off. So make sure this goes under here. That's all. Yeah, it goes. It fit. It definitely a fit. All right, get back at y'all. I get a wrench, adjustable wrench, so I can back it off. Just hope it ain't too rusty. Definitely gonna spin it from here. I'm gonna cut this. Cut some of these lines, the zip ties, and spin it from here. So hopefully I can get it off. All right, let's go get a wrench, adjustable wrench for that. Alright. Let's go back on there. At this real quick. sure you got some goggles on doing this. Make sure you got on goggles, proper lighting. This dirt is nasty, it's getting in your eyes. And make sure you got some zip ties. Dirt. Careful, you don't want to cut no airlines. That's what you don't want to do, cut no lines. I'm cutting on all this because I'm trying to make it easier for me to get this thing off. That's all I'm doing. There you go. So this is what they got it tied into. So I don't know if something went bad up in here. This is definitely what it's tied into. I don't know if it's a plug. Got it tied into this plug here. So it's taped up over here. We're gonna untape it here. Camera's focused. Put this camera on the tripod, but we just want to check it out here. Make sure they ain't corroded. They got it over here doing something. If you just came into watching this video, I'm changing the speed, cleaning the speed sensor before I have to get a new one. Where it connects to here. So I'm changing this out. Try to make sure I mark the wires so I don't get nothing confused here. So I gotta mark these wires so nothing get confused. Alright, so I gotta make sure I mark these wires. So I gotta see if I got some red. I wanna mark them before I snip them. Gotta make sure one is red and one is black. So what I'm gonna do with that is I'll put a white zip tie for the red, so I know which one it is. So when I cut it, alright YouTube, this is where I cut the video right here. Appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe. Hit the notification so we can bring you back new video. Alright. Thanks for watching. Trucker_DIY. Peace.